Yes, hi. This is Avid Teofil. I'm the Executive Director and among of the co-founder of Yes Eco and Organic Company Limited, trading as Yes Group. Our mission is empowering farmers with farming solutions when it comes to knowledge, inputs, and market linkage. So for today, I want to share with you our program, our livelihood program on organic fertilizer production, which helps farmers to restore their soil health for long term, increase yield, and importantly, it creates a diversification source of income for farmers when they sell their agricultural waste as raw materials to Yes Eco and Organic Company Limited. So everyone deserves health food, and health foods come from health soil. So health soil is a fundamental when it comes to issues regarding the food security. According to World Bank report of 2019, approximately 50% of Tanzanian soil is degraded, so affecting agricultural productivity and limiting the livelihood of our smallholder farmers. So actually, what Yes Eco and Organic Company Limited we are doing is in locally to produce and distribute high quality organic fertilizer for our fellow Tanzanians farmers, to help our farmers to restore their soil health, also to boost their crop yield. By doing that, it helps our farmers to improve their soil health and creates waste management practice. The holistic approach is we start with the awareness creation and the capacity building on agri-waste management practice and regenerative agriculture, then sourcing this agricultural waste from identified farmers, turning this or converting this agricultural waste collected into granulated and liquid form, and then we distribute this high quality organic fertilizer back to our farmers. Our revenue comes from direct sales, direct to farmers groups, cooperative union, and the agro dealers. So our product and service contributes to environmental impact by helping on a waste reduction. On social, our product and service creates more jobs to youth and women, and on economic part, it creates a diversification source of income. And with that, it also aligns with SDG number 1, 2, and 13. Regarding the competitive edge, it's based on the approach. We have a direct farmers engagement. The product, another is on product quality. Our EcoGreen organic fertilizer has high quality in terms of nutrients due to professional nutrient formulation, which allows us to have more than a total for NPK of 33 and organic carbon of 156 gram per kilogram, of course, which help to create a long-term soil health impact compared to other product available in the market. We have positive revenue growth for the time, increasing demand of our product, customer base expansion, and the global market size of organic fertilizer is growing very fast. According to Meta Intelligence report of 2024, it shows the global market size of organic fertilizer was $15.75 billion US dollar, with compound annual growth rate of 9.19%. And the total demand, the potential market for organic fertilizer is around 200,000 metric tons, driven by the increasing demand, increasing awareness of soil health and ecological farming practice. And just we target 1,000 metric tons to be produced by our company. We aim to produce 1,000 metric tons annually within the next 5 years to come. We are looking for the capital investment to take our program or project to the next stage, to scale and reach more farmers. Of course, the rise will help us to increase production, to expand to the new regions in Tanzania, and grow our revenue. We have a team of expertise, experience in project monitoring and evaluation, agribusiness program, community development program, fertilizer production, and crop management. We have an advisory board consists of 4 expertise with experience and expertise in soil science, seed science, research and development in agriculture, crop development. With that kind of combination of team, we won awards from government last year, and also we won United Nations Capital for Development award for To sum up, we are empowering farmers with a quality and affordable farming solution. We have a strong and experienced team, positive cash flow, and there is a growing demand of product and services, and we are raising our capital investment to reach more farmers with our product and services. So with that, we are looking for the strong partners to make a regenerative farming practice possible and reach more farmers with our product and service. Thank you.